As far as the forensic evidence that is being recovered at this point, from what agencies are telling us, that the CFSL team was here through the course of the day. Even now that you see, there's not as much activity here at this point, but through the course of last night, soon after most of the bodies had been removed from the site, you had a military team of forensic experts which were looking for clues at the site of this latest terror strike. Not just that, we also had the CFSL team, or the CBI's forensic team, that was assisting the anti-terror squad through the course of the day, getting as much of evidence that they could gather. At this point, it is sources telling us that it was clearly a mix of RDX and ammonium nitrate that was used in equal measure in this particular attack, considering the intensity that has been seen. But until and unless the FSL report does not come in, no investigating authority wants to comment on this particular fact at this point. But clearly what is being seen from what sources are indicating us, there is a huge possibility that RDX and ammonium nitrate was used in these particular blasts. It cannot be just a coincidence, really, that David Coleman Headley, the Lashkar operative and the main mastermind behind 2611, as he's called, stayed on either side of the German bakery. He stayed at the Surya Vilas, which is about 50 meters away from the German bakery on one hand, and the other point where David Headley stayed is right behind me, the Osho commune, or the Osho ashram, where David Headley is believed to have stayed while he was wrecking Pune between 2008 and 2009. So clearly the David Headley link is not being denied at this point. When the Home Secretary G.K. Pillai addressed reporters yesterday, the first time that the Home Ministry confirmed that it was indeed a terror strike, he very clearly said that inputs about David Coleman Headley had been given to the state government. And today the Home Minister as well very clearly saying that David Coleman Headley will be looked at, and the demand will be made by New Delhi to renew the extradition and questioning of David Coleman Headley. So this one particular man, Pakistani-born American national David Coleman Headley, is becoming one of the key link in the terror strike to have struck India, the first major one after 2611.